I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to recover your Facebook account. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. Enter your phone number or your email address to find your account. And when you're done, tap on search, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now tap on continue. Now a code will be sent to you on your email address. Check your mail and enter your code. And when you're done, tap on continue. Again, tap on continue. Set a new password and select continue. This way you can easily recover your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.